the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss a video from SNG Comedy.
Hello and welcome to the.
Second, claps.
Hello and welcome to.
आदर तू कर ले रे.
Hello and welcome to the big question with SNG.
I tried to do this line 4 times, but then finally Adar did it. I don't know why I'm not being able to say it.
That's season 2. I learned the title of the show. Hello and welcome to the big question with SNG. Varun is like the guy from KBC. Hello.
Fastest thing that, every time they have those guys from KBC and when they come in, Ajit, Goa se.
No,
Prakash, Ludhiana se.
Yeah, the windscreen wiper.
The worst one is, those guys who come, Amit ji, मैं आपके लिए खाना लेके आया हूँ. Amit ji, हाँ रे भाई, thank you so much. Amit ji घी भरा खाना खाने वाले उसका.
अभिषेक खा लो.
वैसे तो घर पे खाना नहीं है. खा लो.
Okay, so what's the topic?
Good. So the topic, I have come up with a very interesting topic for us. The question, rather, not the topic, is who or what is our least favorite superhero?
Least favorite.
Who is your least favorite superhero? I know you guys will have a lot of things to chime in, so get on the comments and all of that.
Guys.
Nothing makes a worse hero.
Sorry.
I agree.
It's Hawkeye. End of story. Next podcast.
Okay. I will start. I think my least favorite superhero, and we're talking about superheroes, not Salman Khan, who technically is a superhero too. But I will have to say Green Lantern is my least favorite superhero.
Why? Why though?
Because what is that superpower? You can just make anything you imagine.
With a ring.
With a ring?
That's a good superpower.
Come on, man. Come on.
It's a, what is your issue?
It gets too fantastical.
My issue with it is, it's okay. You know what? First of all, we know it's not real. Like for example,
As opposed to
Iron
Man or Hulk. Oh, that's realistic.
No,
This
see, it's
big green guy.
This is all fantasy world, right? It's in your head and it's what looks great on screen. We want to see our heroes kicking ass and beating. But I saw the movie. First of all, the movie was terrible. Even Ryan Reynolds will admit that.
That was my argument. Do you think it's one great movie away from being everyone's favorite?
No. So I've also seen Green Lantern on, like, let's say all the Justice League movies,
cartoons.
right? The cartoons, the animated movies, right? It's
not happening.
No, there's nothing happening with this guy. Like for him, it's just like he's constantly the guy who's badgering Batman to ask him, hey, what's your superpower? He's that guy. He can't even figure that out, dude. Like,
So his superpower is annoying.
it's pretty
What's the
annoying.
super? I'll annoy you to death.
But I feel it's just far-fetched. Anyway, it's all far-fetched. Like Hulk can't be destroyed, right? But that's cool to watch. But this guy can do, like, if he's bored, he can just think up a hot chick.
Yeah?
But he doesn't do that. He thinks of
he does that behind
he
the
thinks
scenes.
of a big hammer and he hits somebody.
Yeah.
I'm like, bro, come on.
Plain
So
hammer.
I've never got into Green Lantern ever.
Yeah.
So, वो ring का scene ना क्या? Meaning it's a little.
Oh, by the way, didn't they turn him gay now? He's gay in the
Might
comics.
as well.
So there's multiple,
He's,
हो गया
there's,
just.
He's gay in the
multiple,
comics.
there's multiple people who, like, Miles Morales is the next Spider-Man who they just take over. So they've got multiple people who become part of the Green Lantern Corps, and one of them happens to be gay now.
Oh.
I also have beef with
Yes,
Superman.
that's how interesting the Green Lantern storyline is.
I also have beef with Superman because I feel Superman is the laziest writing. Here's superhero, let's give him everything. Everything.
And
Like
as per
everything.
convenience, so I'll use my laser power,
Yeah.
I'll use my breath,
that's why
I'll use my
Batman is way
strength.
more
Yeah, there's a
relatable.
new special effects thing that comes out with every superhero.
Yeah.
Acha, he's capable of this also. Good.
Like, okay, so my question is, when Superman was a kid, when he was like 12 years old and his foster parents were doing it couldn't he like see,
Oh!
couldn't he hear them, see them? Wouldn't he be like mortified? Like,
That's the worst X-ray vision.
But it's
story.
not. But and also, like, every time he would break up with the girl would go have sex with somebody else. Eventually, he would know about it because he's seeing it. Like, how can
And he can burn him to death with his laser eyes.
And also, like, he's super strength, right? So he must be eating a lot. Like, you have to, so many calories are being dispensed, right? If he's eating so much, think of how much he must be shitting all day long, dude.
Wow, you really went like very far away with that.
I'm just
Like, I don't
saying-
think creators of
I'm
Superman
just
are like,
saying-
अच्छा ये कितना हकता है
No,
मेरे को
but-
कितने दे.
How there is no comic book where Superman walks out like, oh, that was
अरे,
bad.
See, Batman, that's
कल
a-
राजमा तो मम्मी ने बनाया था.
अरे वो राजा एक नहीं खाएगा, वो हजारों किलो का खाएगा.
Karan, be honest. How many years have you been thinking about this?
I've thought about this. And
This
I've
idea has
watched the
been
movies.
festering in his head
Yeah,
for very
it's
long.
been a
Like एक दिन
while.
मैं बोलूँगा Superman बहुत
but,
टट्टी
but
करता
come
है.
on, guys, it's a point, right? If we have to draw logic. By the way, there's a really interesting. Someone some physics student did a study. If Superman was real and punched somebody, what would happen?
What would happen,
So
yeah.
cool.
Saw that.
He predicted if that was real, it would just disintegrate. Whatever he punched, everything, because there's so much energy, it would be like a nuclear explosion of something that we haven't even seen before. Not like Hiroshima, Nagasaki put together.
Nagaswamy.
Nagasaki.
That's
Nagasaki, man.
That's Nagasaki and Adnan Sami if they.
You know that Japanese
Nagasaki.
place and that Indian dude that did the US bomb.
Wait, so now you guys tell me your least favorite superhero.
Yeah, Hawkeye, man, for
Hawkeye,
sure.
dude.
Because
Hawkeye
bro,
कौन था यार?
definitely
Wait,
up
Hawkeye
there.
कौन था? Wait, I don't remember.
Jeremy Renner in Avengers.
अरे वो Arjun.
Arjun.
The best thing about Hawkeye in the movies is Iron Man look at him say, pipe it down, Legolas. I think he's there for that reason in the whole fucking series.
No, dude, and in Avengers 2, I loved the fact that he was self-aware. He's like, what am I doing today?
Yeah.
What am I doing? Come on, guys.
You know which
he
other
was like-
superhero-ish person I don't like is that Vision.
Oh yeah. Who? What is that?
He
You know,
was
exactly.
so much
What-
cooler as Jarvis.
Yeah.
Suddenly,
Yeah, so no,
like-
he's Jarvis, who's now become sentient.
Yeah.
And he's
Because
become
that's-
self-aware.
because that's stone.
And then he is now a
No, he can
What?
function without the stone.
You know
Like in
what?
the comics, he doesn't have the mind stone.
But you know what put me off Vision? He wore a sweater. तू superhero कैसे?
Vision sweater पहन लो. Vision बेटा.
So there's been so like okay, Fantastic Four.
Yeah, I was going to say.
That whole thing
wow.
just sucks. Everything sucks.
But it was
about
so
it.
much more fun as a
called
cartoon.
The, yeah, it's called the
Reed
first.
Richard, Sue
Yeah.
Richard, Johnny Storm,
I
Ben
had a
Reed.
small crush on Sue Richards. Small one.
No, but she's
I've
she's pretty
also
hot,
कार्टून
pretty
को
hot.
देख के
Yeah.
क्या कर रहा है?
नहीं लेकिन कार्टून्स को देख के क्रश होता
क्या है
है.
वंडर
होता है,
वुमन
bro.
वंडर वुमन को देख के तेरा क्या हुआ
हाँ.
तेरा खड़ा नहीं हुआ क्या
हाँ.
हाँ देखना फिर देख
Gal Gadot.
हाँ,
नहीं नहीं कार्टून की बात कर.
मेरा lasso
Cartoon
of
में-
truth काफी excited हो गया.
excited हो गया right correct
लस्सी ऑफ
See,
That's
Wonder
so
Woman.
cute.
Wonder Woman is interesting because it's we can all get behind it as men and women.
Yes,
right?
we all can get behind Wonder
for
Woman.
different reasons, right?
They've got a good mix of sexism and feminism.
Yeah.
So you guys have to still so Hawkeye. He gave me Hawkeye. I've given you guys Superman.
Fantastic
and
Four.
Fantastic
And
Four.
All four of them in that
Yeah.
are.
Yeah.
Are
good.
pretty
I think
lame.
I think
Fantastic
Chris
Four
Evans
में-
is so happy he doesn't have to be the Human Torch anymore.
Yeah. No, but the boomer man, the fucking the main
Reed
Richards.
Richards.
हाँ.
Reeve Richards.
थोड़ा
मैं क्या करता मैं तेरे लिए
वही है यार. He's exactly that.
you know
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom.
but he's useful for that only. अरे यार री पानी देना वो पानी लेकर
अरे बेटा थोड़ा ऊपर से अचार निकाल दो.
फैन चालू कर देना. I mean otherwise what?
हाँ.
Even the
Hey,
thing.
bro, उसका लंबा होता है.
हाँ. So good for Sue Richards.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's literally it. Great thing.
Dude,
to have.
he can deform himself into a vagina and fuck himself. He's Elastic Man.
Good for you, Reed Richards.
Like,
Reeve Richards.
what does that have to do with it?
Bad for us people.
Very good.
With
But still,
imagination.
as a watcher and a fan.
What about Phantom, you guys? Phantom.
Phantom बहुत
Phantom
boring
also.
था यार.
The only thing of
घोड़े
Phantom
पे
I liked was
भागता
when he
था.
punched somebody, he left a mark of a skeleton on his forehead. That's the only thing I liked. And
But
cigarettes, Phantom
you know,
cigarettes.
like it used to be my guilty pleasure to watch Billy Zane's Phantom
Ah, yes.
on HBO when it used to
Yes,
run.
yes.
Because
I never saw that.
all the other superhero movies you've seen in the theater. Phantom is the only superhero movie I've seen on TV first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like all other movies, you'll go watch it. Arey, I want to watch. Even if you don't like it, like you'll go.
But that might not be the case now. I think a whole generation's growing
No,
up.
they came out with Phantom again.
But that
They-
was the only.
They did another Phantom.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
Only superhero where who like it looked like slacks, like मम्मी के slacks फाड़ के उसने पहने.
नहीं मतलब
नहीं लगता
he
था.
was Mowgli with a stylist.
Ah.
Yeah.
What is his superpower? Phantom superpower? I don't
He
know.
can talk to dogs and like animals listen to him.
घोड़े पे भागता.
So Dr. Dolittle, but with the
And he
mask.
has purple fucking jumpsuit,
Yeah.
tracksuit.
Yeah.
That was a weird one.
So that's
Unitard.
I think that's what I think. Purple superheroes we don't like. Vision, Phantom.
Yeah.
Also, the thing
purple
with
zero.
Phantom is like it's not the same Phantom. When one Phantom dies, another
another
takes
comes
his
up.
place. So
अच्छा,
this
sequel
new
का
Phantom,
इंतजाम
nepotism
है.
है Phantom में
Ah,
भी.
we have to discuss our Indian
Aquaman.
superheroes also at some point. Aquaman.
Aquaman.
Okay, you know
Hopeless.
what?
I
Aquaman-
hate Krish.
Hopeless.
That's my superhero.
Wait, पहले Aquaman से बात
Yeah.
करते हैं.
So here's the thing, right? Everybody's gonna like Aquaman right now because of fucking
yeah.
Jason Momoa.
Because
Can-
Momoa.
Sometimes, you know-
Khal Drogo becomes Aquaman.
Sometimes exactly. Sometimes I think the character, the guy playing it, becomes.
Embodies.
It just
who it is.
like
Yeah.
honestly, how many of us really like as kids collected Iron Man comics?
Yeah.
I never did.
I'm
I
telling
mean,
you,
I
dude,
knew of Iron Man.
every superhero.
And suddenly after Robert Downey Jr., fucking
Haan,
Iron
sab
Man is
log.
the cool dude. Just,
Yeah.
Yeah,
you know?
they marketed it great.
Exactly.
See, but here's the thing, Iron Man, I actually, there's one series of comics that I used to read. It was actually really great. And I was that, again, I'm going on the positive side, not negative. He was actually handicapped, physically, he's paralyzed, completely paralyzed, neck down.
Daredevil.
Yeah.
No, who's it?
No, Iron Man.
Iron
the
Man,
only
oh.
way he could move
Oh.
was through this, with a suit.
Wait, what? Which
Yeah,
is
this is one of the comic book series.
Really?
See, now that.
Yeah,
That was very interesting, right?
Cool,
so this,
man.
this is my introduction to Iron Man. So I was always like, okay, I'm
but
sold. I'm sold.
But I didn't read as much Iron Man as a kid. So I was like, okay,
Yeah, it
whatever.
was the-
And then suddenly
Yeah.
I read about, Robert Downey Jr. is going to play Iron Man. I'm like, okay. But when I watched the first movie, I'm
It
like,
was
fuck.
great. It was
He's one of
great.
my new favorites now.
Yeah. No, and which is the point, no? Every superhero is one great movie away from being your favorite superhero.
Okay,
You know, the same thing with Batman, right?
Yeah.
Like,
I got
I
another,
would
by the
say
way.
Batman I don't like. If the my only exposure to the Batman
Joel
was the
Schumacher.
Joel Schumacher movie
Bat nipples.
Oh, God,
with bat
man.
nipples, and I'm
Oh,
like,
God.
in that movie, Batman automatically becomes your least
cool.
favorite fucking
Robin. Robin.
I was going
is
to say
a-
so
yeah.
Robin. I was going to say Robin and
Utappa.
and coincidentally Supergirl also.
Yeah, Supergirl also? No?
I mean, I don't like Supergirl because it's the exact same thing, but she's wearing a skirt.
Yeah.
It's just it's just to appeal to a different demographic.
Young teens.
Yeah, that's it. For me, it doesn't add any. There's no storytelling value, nothing. It's just because she's a chick and she looks cute in a skirt, and everybody's like, hey,
And
skirt
Alicia
ki niche kya
Silverstone was
hai?
perfect for Supergirl. huh?
No, she was
Silverstone. Batgirl, sorry. Who was Supergirl? We never saw her.
No, she's
Supergirl hai
a
na
CW.
abhi? CW, yeah.
For teens and tweens. So Robin is terrible. What is
really
Robin? What is this
bad.
Wait,
super?
so we've had Robin, we've
Yeah.
had Phantom, we've had Hawkeye,
We've had, Vision.
Vision. All Fantastic Four. All of them.
Fantastic
All of them.
Four, yes. Maybe not the Thing. I think the
No.
Thing was still
Bro,
like
the
maybe
thing is
Hulk.
like
The
thing is Hulk with rocks.
yeah, budget Hulk.
Yeah.
छोटा Hulk, हाँ.
अरे bro थोड़ा सस्ता है क्या Hulk?
Actually-
हाँ sir ये thing है ये
Arey,
orange क्यों है? हाँ,
Honestly, so
BJP
we're gonna go budget Hulk. Then Luke Cage and Iron Fist also are on my list of people. I'm done.
No fucks given. No fucks given for
What is Luke Cage? He's just Hulk in Harlem. That's all he is. He's just a Hulk for one locality of New York. बस उसका वही काम है. क्या है?
No, but even like.
But Hulk also has a lot of strength. Luke Cage just can't die.
I think.
It's a pretty good strength.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Like
Robin's superhero is basically just filling that void for
Oh,
Batman.
no, he's a
need for family,
gymnast.
right?
He's a gymnast.
अच्छा वो
वो
है
trapeze artist है ना
अच्छा, हाँ,
उसके
circus से
वो
निकाला,
सर्कस
हाँ,
करता है.
correct,
but वो चड्डी क्यों पहनता है? Like वो pants क्यों नहीं पहनता?
That was really sad. That the way they really like he has to shave his legs every time they have to go and
But you have to
like
see
stop
the-
You know,
crying.
Robin tried to tell Batman मेरे को नहीं पहनना
You know,
है.
you should
Shut up.
चुपचाप पहन दो.
And there's that meme, no? अरे लेकिन मैं and then Batman
And
But
you
if
shave
you
my
watch
legs.
if you watch the campy Batman, Adam West Batman from the 60s,
Which is awesome.
yes,
It was so
but you
awesome.
watch it right now, just no
Dude,
man.
It's so funny. You can't take
It's
it
still
seriously.
funny because they shot it. They never took it seriously. They themselves
Dude,
didn't
look
take
at
it
it.
Yeah.
Look at Adam West. He's a skinny guy with a paunch
Yeah.
walking around Batman suit. It is
No,
damn
the
funny,
Robin
dude.
in that, dude. The Robin in that is
Dude,
just,
it's too funny. I used to laugh so many, like, especially the things that Robin would say. Robin was the Johnny Lever of that of that world, right? Holy something Batman.
Holy smokes,
snake.
Batman.
Yeah. Holy jumping lizards,
Yes,
Batman.
boring. Yes, मैं Robin को डाल दो.
Even
थोड़ा कुछ funny कर Robin. पुड़ी अरे
अच्छा पैंट निकाल हाँ चल ठीक है.
Groot is another, like I think Groot became interesting when he became a baby, like that's
No, dude.
Why,
Groot
what?
was
I didn't like
interesting.
Groot at
really
all.
why
liked
Groot?
See, Groot is
I
an
am
incomplete
Groot.
character because he can't work alone, right? He has to have that ferret
And
badger
he's
thing.
mostly-
What's that thing? बाजू में उसके.
I think Marvel lost the rights to Fantastic Four, and that's why they came up with this second family. कि, हाँ, इसका
Yeah.
rights है.
Came
let's
out of
just do
nowhere.
this.
Came out of
Yeah.
nowhere.
What other
Man, there's lots of superhero movies that. So I used to really like RoboCop, but after the last movie, that was
it's
terrible.
become
So that's a
pretty bad.
terrible movie. I like the superhero, but the movie was terrible. So I don't know.
yeah, RoboCop is a superhero.
You know,
is very
like
interesting.
no, we can't do Suicide Squad, no. 'cause-
Dude,
Oh, yeah.
Everybody
He-Man.
hates.
I
No,
do
no,
not like He-Man.
I want to
No.
address
He-Man?
I'm
He-Man.
dying.
I hate
How
He-Man,
come
dude.
there's no He-Man movie?
There is.
It's
There is.
coming up soon.
No, there is an
Who's
old
in it?
movie. There's an
Who's
old
in
movie.
it?
There's an old one with
Arnold?
Dolph Lundgren.
Lundgren. Yeah.
He played He-Man.
Oh, correct.
Dude, it's- He-Man as a concept, I think it is so homoerotic.
Yeah,
Yeah,
It
fully.
is-
Yeah.
It is
Excessive he.
And it is just exactly. But
I always found the villain far more interesting in He-Man.
But
Skeletor,
on a
Skeletor.
panther,
Skeletor
dude,
was
that
the
is
bomb.
epic, but not He-Man.
But like when you go to see villains are villains, man. You have Loki is interesting than most of
And
the
he's
Avengers.
Loki.
yeah, he's more interesting.
Yeah.
No, I agree. Good villains make the hero, but also at some point we let's just stick to the heroes right now. We'll do a whole villains podcast
Yes,
down
we
the
will.
road.
Yeah,
right?
it's very big. Yeah.
So we've got a bunch of who are you missing? Come on, let's dig a.
I just one diversion, but it's from least favorite supervillain. Like I used to think Vulture was really lame. Okay, like in the comic books, he's a really lame character.
Yeah,
He still
But
is.
they've like I liked what they did with in the movie. Like they
Yeah.
gave him a suit rather than him just.
नहीं, they just had Batman को Vulture बना देते and
Yeah,
Batman को Vulture?
Michael
Michael
Keaton.
Keaton.
हाँ,
He was
Batman
the
को
first.
he was the coolest.
Birdman को
No,
Birdman
no, he's
बना
not
था
the
basically.
coolest Batman.
He was one of the coolest Batman. Yeah.
One of the because there is only 4.
There's
who's
Manhunter
Manhunter.
back.
what's the
You like
character?
Cyborg?
Half. I was going to say Cyborg only.
मतलब RoboCop.
Yeah, very good.
Iron Man, but with
सस्ता
less.
RoboCop.
Iron Man / RoboCop
Yeah.
/ You know the thing is, I think after a point, like even the guys who used to write superhero movies, like you have to run out of shit
हाँ, bro. At one point, they were like,
To do.
DC क्या कर रहा है? अच्छा, wait, same.
because there's
Which is I
तू
feel
सब same है.
it's kind of stupid that the Batman versus Superman में Batman had the almost the Iron Man suit. Except उसने मुंह खुला छोड़ा है.
वो बात कैसे करेगा?
अबे लेकिन वो
हाँ, but dialogue
speaker
मांगता है,
डाल
right?
देता. But this guy, the one place he can punch is the face.
और मारा उसको 9 मिनट की सीन में he's gotten punched but the thing breaks from here or something
Yeah.
like that.
Martha.
Yes,
Okay.
it's very convenient. Very convenient thing. He punches his face. He doesn't like his
That
face.
sequence was amazing, but there was only 9 minutes of it in a fucking 3-hour movie.
Dude, what is the difference between Flash and
Reverse Flash.
no the
No, the guy from
Flash
X-Men.
from X-Men? Like, there is no difference.
No
It's the
difference.
Same guy.
What is his name
Quicksilver.
though?
Quicksilver. But Quicksilver is really
But the
cool
difference
in
is,
the
the
X-Men
difference
universe.
is that Quicksilver gives you 2 amazing sequences in every movie. जो bullet time में लेता जाके किसको ऐसे बचा लेता. Hey bro, we forgot that guy, man. Fucking Green Arrow.
Green Arrow.
Green Arrow.
Same.
He's like
Hawkeye हुआ.
Hawkeye plus
Robin Hood.
Phantom
Plus Robin Hood.
plus Robin Hood who
Yeah.
came back. Have you seen the series?
Series, yeah.
Arrow.
Have you seen it?
It's unwatchable, dude.
No, I watched.
I can't watch it.
But afterward, I'm like, हाँ, मतलब ठीक है, तू भी
तू बहुत-
सिटी में भी आके तू ये
Yeah.
सामने वाले का गन है, bro.
Yeah, but see, I'm just
I
repulsed
really
by
thought
the green
that
color.
like it was a
Green
lot of
Lantern.
work for the for Hawkeye, but apparently all the arrows are CGI. Like he is everybody's
वो
finding
भी नहीं.
ये खाली ऐसे कर रहा
वो
है.
भी
He's
नहीं.
just pulling
Wait,
the
have
bow.
did they answer the question of how the fuck does his arrows just keep coming?
But he did a great SNL sketch. He's like all of them are standing there and it was Jeremy Renner and they go like Hawkeye, you handle all that. I can't. My arrows are over. Like how many did you bring? 12. What
Hawkeye's
did you
good in
do?
the sketch.
Like now there's 12 less aliens.
guys,
It was
sorry.
a great sketch. Watch it. SNL.
I just remembered one of my least favorite, Captain America. Which is
Yeah.
Don't like that.
I agree.
That
He's,
guy
he's,
is-
you know why he's only the. I think the reason why he exists in that world is because he's a leader.
Yeah, and a moral
not-
compass.
Yeah,
Nah,
moral
it's just-
compass.
yeah.
Not for any other purpose.
and but the way they played it with
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, I didn't like Captain America either in the comics. हाँ ठीक है, lame. But what they've done with the movies,
I
I've
really
thoroughly
like
enjoyed
Chris Evans.
each
Yeah.
Captain America movie.
So,
No, it's
Winter
just-
Soldier was been my
his-
favorite.
Dude, his
but-
weapon is that he throws the shield.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's-
and he's what else is that?
He's old.
He's smart.
Actually, it's smart.
He can rally forces. He's got good leadership
He's
skills.
motivational speaker.
Yeah, he's a team player.
Thoda boring. I agree with them. I'm
But
on
I
his side.
think
Boring
boring
है.
Oh,
But you know
boring
what? They realize that and they're playing that up. Which is
Yeah,
why you
Hydra,
see.
he's on
Have
Hydra
you seen
now.
Spider-Man now? The new
Yeah.
No,
Spider-Man.
I haven't seen it.
Very good.
It's not a suspense or anything, but in the new Spider-Man, they use him in instructional videos in school. You know what I mean? Like, so they know that you can't put a Tony Stark there, even though people would listen to Tony Stark more.
Yeah.
But they put him there because he has that.
He's more principled.
No,
Yeah.
he's principled that he's a good guy. He's
Yeah.
But
genuinely
they've
good.
turned
guy.
him,
superpower.
they've
He's a
turned
good
him
guy.
into a war criminal in the movies now, no? He is a war criminal, he's run away, he's away from
You know,
whatever.
one cool
civil
thing
war.
they did in Spider-Man. They addressed the fact that what would Spider-Man do when there aren't any buildings?
Ah.
He's just like.
Oh yeah,
Nothing.
they did that. So he
Very
just looks
funny.
around and then he runs.
Yeah.
So you see a white.
I hate this shit.
He's just running through the suburbs.
ऐसा बोल मत यार. Spoiler alert.
Sorry.
Oh shit.
He dies in the
Yeah,
end.
yeah.
Spoiler man.
Dude, there's a lot of X-Men who are just shit.
Okay, so
Yes.
X-Men, can we say
Fucking
out of
dumb.
the first main actors, the rest of them are all shit.
काफी
Yeah,
bad.
yeah.
वो
Yeah.
frog वाला क्या है वो
There's a porcupine.
Frog wala.
The porcupine.
This is officially the day Karan turned
Yeah.
old.
The porcupine is my least favorite X-Men.
No, but the frog wala is.
He also said it. He also said it.
I'm saying
Toad.
now, that's
His
it.
name is Toad. Toad.
Frog wala.
Frog वाला. Dude, like he'll have a hard time on Tinder with that face, dude.
But the girls would have a good time in bed. What are your skills?
Oh, I just orgasmed.
And then he
Mr.
disappeared.
Frog wala. Have you guys seen the new Mummy?
No, I didn't see.
I like my old mummy.
I was lucky.
Good.
You don't like your old mummy?
I like my old.
I like it when mummy returns.
No, Universal is also making their own
dark-
dark universe.
No, they're making
Dark
their
universe.
own universe.
Mummy.
with the mummy.
League of Extraordinary Gentlemen.
Yeah, Dr. Jekyll and Mr.
Arey,
Hyde.
Nasruddin Shah.
Wolfman.
How can you forget about that? Those are that's a terrible
Captain
movie.
Nemo.
Dude, that was awful.
Oh, actually, my least favorite is
Wow.
Edward Cullen. That's my least favorite
That's a
superhero.
superhero.
It's not a
He's
superhero.
technically superhero.
No, he's
No,
not. He's
he's
a
a vampire.
His-
superhero.
his-
Yeah?
I hate him regardless.
His enemy is.
Why would a
I
vampire
just wanted
be
to
a
put it out
superhero?
there.
Do vampires count? No, no.
No, of course not.
No.
They it's a League of Extraordinary Gentlemen में था एक.
But Abraham Lincoln, Vampire Slayer,
Ah. Whoa.
that counts.
Dude,
चल रहा है वो.
when are we going to make like Mahatma Gandhi, some animal slayer?
No, no,
Like,
no,
that's-
no,
we are
that's-
never
no.
gonna make
काट
it.
दे, please.
हाँ ये
Arey, I'm not saying anything. I'm just
हमें-
saying that
हमें जीना है.
we will. Arey, it's not. How is it offensive? I'm just saying in America they go and make crazy
It's
shit.
not offensive to you.
How is it offensive to anybody?
Arey, that's welcome to India.
Mahatma Gandhi zombie hunter is going it's going to be like
That's the. I mean, if
Somebody
somebody.
crazy though, he'd have a long dandi march.
If somebody made that, I would go watch it. You would
I
go
would
watch it.
guarantee
You would go watch
Gandhi-
it.
It would be the
Gandhi
coolest
zombie
movie.
hunter.
Okay,
Indian
Worst Indian superhero.
Worst Indian
Salman
superhero.
Khan in every movie.
Good.
Every movie.
But he's not a superhero.
Dude,
Well, let's
he
not give
is.
him the.
He
is.
okay, he is a
For
superhero.
Bandra East,
technically,
maybe.
yeah.
Okay, Rajnikant.
Oh.
But he's not my least favorite.
We
But
are-
he's a superhero.
he does not represent the views of this entire
Arey,
panel.
did you? Rajnikant is a superhero, but he's
We
not.
love Rajnikant.
Yeah, we love.
But why
Rajnikant.
don't you like Rajnikant movie?
No, I'm saying I don't mind him. I'm saying
why
he's a
is your
superhero.
least-
Saying
He's not
you
easy
don't
enough.
mind Rajnikant movies like saying that you don't like it.
So okay, let's talk about proper superhero. So we have the
Krish.
worst. The worst. No, the worst
Rhoda,
is
dude.
No,
that,
no,
that Tiger
Tiger
Shroff
Shroff
as that
Flying
jump.
giant.
That
Yeah.
was the worst.
Please don't do it.
That
Don't
was
do
The
it.
movie released?
Yeah.
It came and it went.
Yeah.
I thought it was like abhi tak ban rahi hai and they're still doing like oh wow. My least favorite is Ajuba.
Oh fuck.
That's a good.
So
Oh, fuck.
Ajuba.
Ajuba.
Completely forgot Ajuba.
Ajuba.
You know Ajuba.
Mind-blowing fun, dude.
Dude,
He's
it
riding
is.
a dolphin.
It is. He's riding a dolphin.
What
It
do
is
you want?
Amitabh Bachchan in a paper mask.
Yeah.
He didn't even bother getting a
My favorite scene was the people are shooting arrows at him. He catches them and then and throws them back and kills
Yeah,
them.
it's just.
But Amitabh Bachchan has really tried for the superhero thing, okay? Like Shahenshah, whose superpower was that he tells you that he is your father in
he's
Rishta.
genetically related.
No, no,
That's, yeah.
But wait, basically he was Star Wars. He's like, सुन मैं अगर लोगों को बोलेगा ना कि मैं उनका बाप है
तो लोग मान जाएंगे. But okay, Shahenshah. What is Shahenshah's superpower?
That he can fend off bullets with his fucking.
Guess who else can do that?
Wonder Woman.
Guess what is his weapon?
Chain.
A rope.
Oh yeah.
Wonder Woman.
He's a Wonder
He's
Man.
basically Wonder Man. Yeah.
Wonder Man.
You heard it first on the big
Shahenshah.
Yes,
Shahenshah is
he's
Wonder,
Wonder
Man.
But no, but really think about this, dude. The guys who sat and wrote this, they're like, सुन क्या करते हैं?
You're thinking a guy sat
I'm
down
not
at the table and wrote this.
अच्छा
You're the real superhero, man. You're the real superhero.
मैंने कल अमेरिका से एक जैकेट खरीदा. हाँ मेरे घर पे चेन पड़ा है बहुत सारा यूज नहीं हो रहा. अरे लेकिन खाली एक हाथ पे चढ़ रहा है. चल एक हाथ में काम चला लेके.
अमित जी आप फ्री हो क्या थर्सडे?
अच्छा इसका
मैंने
बाल-
बहुत टाइम से शेव नहीं किया. अच्छा ठीक है चलेगा.
और डाई भी खत्म हो गया.
No, but he uses it. The villain Amrish Puri has gun. But the thing is, have you noticed in that movie, every time they're shooting Shahenshah, they'll only shoot at a range where he can put his hand up, never on his legs or on
Yeah,
his
never saw
fucking
his head go
head.
down, you know.
Hey, but Wonder Woman same thing, right? She has no armor protection for her thighs, for her shoulders, for her face. But they always shoot wherever.
But
But
her-
also, she's an Amazonian
Yeah.
actual superhero. This guy is a dude who's romancing Meenakshi Sheshadri in the day on the scooter, and at night he's like, "Hey, bitches!"
Shashi,
Design the look.
Kimi Katkar as Spider-Man.
Kimi Katkar.
She is not as Spider.
she with
Come on.
with Spider-Man.
She as Spider-Man didn't put a mask on because then मेरे बाल खराब हो जाएंगे.
She was also in Tarzan, by the way.
Oh,
She
really?
was.
No,
Oh,
not
with
Wonder
Hemant
Kar.
Birje.
With Hemant Birje.
Hemant Birje. Oh.
You know, there's that scene where fucking Tarzan looks at a woman for the first time and he's actually cupping her boobs. Yeah, no, that's an
Like
actual
cupping
scene.
boobs like this. and
That's
not
how
like
he's
this.
cupping. Because she's lying unconscious.
And Thakur was like, "Arey yaar, now I want to be Tarzan."
No, yeah. No, I don't.
Oh, Krish.
Krish.
I'm
Can't
talking about
avoid
Krish.
See, here's my problem with Krish.
Speaking
okay?
of flying jarts, yeah.
At least with Hrithik, when you put him in a mask in a
Lagta
suit,
hai superhero.
लगता है superhero.
But he
ठीक
can't
है?
act. brother. He can't even emote, that guy.
Yeah.
What?
Hrithik Roshan is such an over actor, dude.
Overactor, I agree, but
Yeah.
he can emote.
He can.
Oh my god, no.
Of course he
No,
can.
dude. You can't believe that guy is actually acting. You know he's faking it.
Props for non-paper mask. But yeah.
Yeah, no, the thing is, again with Krish, there's no real defined powers. Krish is basically Jadu ka Vardhan.
Yeah.
That's going.
What was
that's what we
Jadu?
have to
Jadu
do.
was a 2-foot alien who fucking wanted sunlight.
Also, just like his attire is so not made for running and jumping.
It's more like
Yeah.
BDSM.
Yeah, like it's
But what are you, a
No,
dominatrix?
remember we were going to write this sketch about Krish, like where he's got like this latex thing, right?
Yeah.
In Bombay,
Yeah, in Bombay.
his superpower would be smell.
Yeah, like-
people are like, नहीं छोड़ मैं जाता हूँ.
Yeah, it's almost like, oh shit, Krish aa raha hai, kaise मालूम? Krish ही है. But what about our real superhero, Sunny Paji?
Arey, we forgot our guy who played Ram. What's his name? The red suit.
Ravan.
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 He was a video game / superhero.
Yes.
What was it? And
No,
I remember in the
Ravan
movie
was the
in the
villain.
beginning of
G1
Oh,
was the
he was
superhero.
G1 by the way.
G1 was
Ravan
G1.
was Arjun Rampal.
Yeah, again, really bad puns.
Oh my
Ravan
God.
and
Yeah,
G1.
G1.
But I
and
remember
Ravan.
in the beginning of the movie, there's a scientist who's explaining the concept of electricity.
Actually, considering what has been put on the table, I take it back. Ajuba was a pretty good superhero.
Yeah, Ajuba was pretty good
a
compared to-
fucking good
So
superhero.
was Krish, I think.
Yeah, Krish was respectable.
I still don't know what the power of how did it go from Krish to
Yeah,
Krish 3.
Yeah.
His superpower is he makes the number 2 disappear.
Yeah.
So like,
Do you
Yeah,
miss
but
out on
why
any?
why do you think we can't crack the superhero thing? Is it budget?
because we can't crack our own normal movies. We can't like.
On that,
On that
note,
note, we have come to the end.
end of this podcast.
This is fair point. Like,
Yeah.
if you want to discuss,
Just do our normal
I think-
movies first, right? Then think about superhero movies, man. Like, tell you what, the best superhero movie I've seen in India was that Robot.
Robot is pretty good.
And it was too long, but if it was like cut by 1 hour, it would have been a super movie, super good movie.
Oh.
There's a scene where Rajnikant wants to have sex, the robot wants to have sex with Aishwarya, and she goes she. All that was just so cringeworthy, dude. It was so cringe.
And what about the ginormous python at the end?
Yeah.
That was fun.
What?
That was fun, dude.
What?
That was fun to watch. At least it was something a spectacle.
No,
man.
before we go, we have to talk about one final Indian superhero,
Yeah.
which we used to like, kinda like, or don't like. I'm not too
And
sure.
now we
I
ironically
used to.
like.
But either way, I want to just say, I'm sorry, Shaktiman.
Ah,
sorry,
Shaktiman. Shaktiman is like Doordarshan's version of what a superhero looks like. That's what Shaktiman is, right? He's always got a बच्चों अच्छा करना चाहिए.
He was more
Shaktiman has power of convenience. Like, वो episode में जो चाहिए मिल जाएगा.
Okay, anyway, if you guys think that we've missed out on any superheroes,
and
that-
we know there are a lot
actually
of them.
tell us superheroes that y'all don't like and why y'all don't like in the comment section.
Yeah, and avoid telling us if we don't read the comics because we don't.
No, and also no, we don't care who your favorite is and who your least favorite is. Just enjoy the conversation.
Just enjoy the conversation, have fun, and we'll see you guys next week. Until then, it's SNG saying bye bye.
Bye bye.